Do you have trouble talking to ladies like this boy?
Hey baby, you wanna go to my grandma's basement and play some Sega Genesis under the moonlight?
Heck no, you're straight up tripping.
Okay, I'll see you there.
Oh, denied.
I'm so depressed. No girls will ever like me. What am I doing wrong? I need a sign from somewhere.
Look at this nerd. You need
Who are you?
I'm John Walsh. You need some Crimp Spray.
What is that?
Spray make all the chicks like you, homie.
Huh? Get all the chicks? Ooh! It could work! Let's go!
Dude,
I am
look,
my baby girl, yeah!
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I am!
Let's go.
Yeah, what you want?
How much you spend on that grill, homie?
Man, I don't know, man. I feel great, yeah! I feel alive!
Damn, that boy is tight.
Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go.
I'm my baby girl.
So shake 'em. I ain't got none, but I'm planning on growing some.
Some side effects may occur. Did you mention that?
Chariots and turning tight ones.
Oh,
Tell me when to go. Talking on my getro on my way to the south. My second or third trip.
Now that my boy is pimped out, let's see how he talks to the baby girls.
Just to ease my thoughts. Not just the cops, but the homies gotta watch.
remember me, baby girl?
Look at the dark cloud. Sitting in my scrapper watching over the
Oh my god, you've changed.
My knocked underground, all of
Hey
them
baby, you wanna
coated
do
and
some
watered down.
Yeah,
I'm
sure,
from
I
the
do,
bay where we
baby
hot
girl.
go deep. From the soil where the
know
rappers
where
be
my
getting they
kick
legal
roll
roll.
comes about.
Tell me when I got. Tell me when I got.
I'm the Crimp Spray, I'm now a pimp. I got my baby girls right here. Hey, baby, you wanna do a dance for the world's richest man?
I'm off that 18 diamond juice. Ragga man, lay with the black suit. King of the suit with the wife. And your wife, you don't want me like. From the Bay to the A, put me in the backwoods, sweet boy. It's dope. It just some shit I wrote. I said he couldn't be saved by John the Pope.